Here's a 2011 Subaru Outback 2.5 head gasket repair, informational video. And all right, I tried videotaping it, and the sound didn't pick up, and it was, I was using a chest mount, and it just wasn't the right angle. So I figured, we're all on our own. I don't want to be blamed for anything. This is a big, this took me 3-4 days to do the head gaskets on it. And that's doing, 3-4 hours a day or so. Not trying to kill myself, but you could do it faster. You could probably do it in a day or two if you had the manpower or the lady power. And yeah, let's go over it. You can see the head gaskets. I used the Field Pro. You see it's blue and Field Pro multi-layer steel gaskets. The head gasket I pulled off, was multi-layer, is multi-layer steel, and I was just doing this out of being paranoid. Everyone's telling me, oh, head gaskets, they have crappy head gaskets, but this looks like multi-layer steel. So maybe you don't have a head gasket problem. Always verify. But let's throw this away and let's go over this. I picked up this diagram, and here we go. We're starting off at the passenger side. And on a note too, if you do this job, might as well do the timing belt, which is pretty easy, and the water pump and the thermostat. So here we go. So I drew, the diagram came without this part. I drew this part just for the passenger side, because if I put this on the driver's side, it would properly line up front. So I redrew everything. 3 and 5 are front on this side. So here we go. First step, I highly recommend prepping everything. The bolts, oil, and small layer of oil on the washer and the threads before doing it. Let's go over this here. First step, 21.4 foot-pounds. So starting off at 1, 21.4 foot-pounds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, step 2, 73.8 foot-pounds. All right, starting off at 1, 73.8 foot-pounds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this is when you got to pay attention. There's 180 degrees, third step. Loosen in reverse order. So starting off at 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 180 degrees, reverse order. Now fourth step, do the same. 180 degrees, starting off at 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, fifth step, 31 foot-pounds, all the way around. Starting off at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 31 foot-pounds. So the sixth step, let me verify here. Sixth step, turn 78 to 82 degrees in the chronological order, or numerical order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that was the sixth step, right? So now seventh step, bolts 1 and 2, 73 to 77 degrees. So 1 and 2, 73 to 77 degrees. Next, eighth step, just bolts 6, 5, 4, 3, turn 28 to 32 degrees. So just 6, 5, 4, 3. 28 to 32 degrees. Okay, let's go over the driver's side here for the visual learners like myself. So see, it lines up properly. Here we go. First step, 21.4 foot-pounds all the way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second step, 73.8 foot-pounds. Starting off at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now, in reverse order, starting off at 6, 180 degrees, loosen, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're going to do that again for the fourth step. Starting off at 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, next step, fifth step, 31 foot-pounds all the way around. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 31 foot-pounds. Now the sixth step, 78 to 82 degrees all the way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now seventh step, turn bolts 1 and 2, 73 to 77 degrees. Okay, now the eighth step, 6, 5, 4, 3, turn 28 to 32 degrees. So 6, 5, 4, 3. And that's it. I mean, that's what I did. I definitely recommend doing your due diligence. I'm not going to be blamed for any of this. Especially most people don't have their heads milled, or I don't know. I'm not assuming things, but I imagine that people are trying to do things cheapest way possible. Especially with these Subarus, it was I don't even know how much it would be to do head gaskets, but I know the water pump was $2,000 easy, and the timing belt if you had it done at a shop. Grab a screenshot of this if you like. I'll get some good angles. So starting off with the directions here. Here we go. And then here's the driver's side, way I did it. And then here's the passenger side orientation. But anyways, I made this video for informational purposes only. If you got anything out of it, I could use some subscribers, and like the video to help broadcast it throughout the network. Anyways, Happy New Year, and good luck to you in your Subaru ventures.